In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade more confidently using the Quantum Trend Indicator. To get started, open TradingView and click on the Indicators tab. Then scroll to the Invite-Only Scripts section. To see these indicators in your Invite-Only Scripts section, you need to subscribe to them on the official website on your screen. Once subscribed, the Quantum Trend Indicator will be available in your Invite-Only Scripts section. Simply click on it to add it to your chart. Once added, the indicator will display long and short signals based on a layered filtering process. Now let's break down how to use the Quantum Trend Indicator in your trading. For a buy trade, wait for a long signal to appear on your chart. This indicates that the indicator has detected a potential price reversal after passing through multiple filters. Check that the price closes above the support zones. If these conditions are met, enter your buy trade as the price begins to move up from the signal point. Place your stop loss just below the nearest support level and use the next resistance zone as your take profit target. You can see how the trade plays out. For a sell trade, wait for a short signal to appear on your chart. This indicates that the indicator has detected a potential price reversal after passing through multiple filters. Check that the price closes below the resistance zones. If these conditions are met, enter your sell trade as the price begins to move down from the signal point. Place your stop loss just above the nearest resistance level and use the next support zone as your take profit target. You can see how the trade plays out. If you want even cleaner entries, enable the Strong Signals filter in the settings. These signals go through an extra layer of validation using modified standard deviation logic. That means fewer signals but higher reliability. For a strong buy trade, wait for a strong long signal to appear on your chart. Make sure the price is closing above the support zone and aligns with the overall trend direction. If these conditions are met, enter your buy trade as the price starts moving up from the signal point. Set your stop loss just below the nearest support level and use the next resistance zone as your take profit target. Strong signals tend to offer more reliable trade setups. While the Quantum Trend Indicator can be used on any time frame, it tends to perform best on higher time frames like 30 minutes and above. So if you're looking for a tool that combines momentum, trend, and volatility filters into one system, Quantum Trend Indicator might be what you need. If you're not yet subscribed to the indicator, head over to the official website shown on your screen now. Thanks for watching and happy trading!